iPhone keyword not showing up on iOS 26. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open the Settings app on your mobile device. In there, scroll down and tap on the General option available. Once you tap on the General, again you'll have to scroll and look for the keyboard option available and simply tap on it. After that, scroll down till the bottom and make sure to toggle off the keyboard dictation option available there. Dictation box can make the keyboard lag or disappear. Then reopen the app and keyboard should appear faster. And if this also does not work, then go back to the settings general. Then all you have to do is tap on the software update inside the general, then update it to the latest version. Sometimes some apps or system builds cost the keyboard box, so updating will fix it. Then go back to the general, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer reset iPhone. Then tap on the reset and tap on the reset all settings. This fixes system configuration issues but keeps your data safe. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.